out a door with so much big dog where it's not your type. Me have to bring another dog to my baby. Yeah. They had what I do with so much big dog. God that me tell her she just come and she not come in with no belly, no come in and bring no dog. That's one of belly, no me a fuck up you. I don't even want the neighbor them here watching your blood clot. Cause the neighbor have 2 dogs, 3 now we look like her. I'm fuck up your blood clot. Oh. Chat power tap. No one hold up a girl sit down and look at my face. Me I beg you something. Me I beg you something that the cash out PayPal or Zelle. Me hungry and my belly hungry. Me no want nobody to come fuck up her blood clot. Oh. Thanks, Strat. We had what I do with so much big dog. Every time me I tell you the same thing, you still the other with big dog each other. What reason? Next thing me I have to bring puppy to dash your belly. I hear me a plan for dash your mine. I hear my friend Babyfoot left in her. Alright. So she have to admit in the hospital. Yeah. And me have another friend, she dash her belly too, and the doctor did shove up the cotton up in her. And she find her pussy a stink. And the girl said when she used the hose and sprayed her pussy, she see a piece of cotton her people. Chat, and I remember that? When the girl tell me that, who remember? And when she draw out the cotton, she said, tinker than a dead dog. That's stinker than when one man come in her bottom and them poop. That look herbal. That look even stink. Cause when one man broke in one bottom, you know what he did that. That's stinker than a dead dog. The girl said, stink. Pure murderation. Oh, don't talk to you.
That sound very festive.
That's why I'm not sleep against Batman. I can't sleep in a bed with Batman because Batman like when man broke in at them bottom. It's when them poop, you will knock out. Shit mixed with poop. Ramp it, that's why I don't like it, girl them. Tell me that foreign me that fear sell bottom like them. I catch coal in my bottom. Or me I walk a foreign and coal in my bottom a calf. Some dirty Batman them a foreign car. You know me reach probably me that catch coal in a mine too. Come in after find something to do. Don't it for pay my bills then.
That sound like pneumonia.
When them poop you for run, stinker than a dead dog. Cause all different come going on one bottom. Chat 2 rows. Chat 2 rows. Come here, well a black hair girl. Chat 2 rows. Chat 2 rows. 1 more rose. Well a black hair 2 girl.
Guys, 2 roses.
Some big pussy girl are coming and my chat to ask me, Candy, the slippers a ball by your foot. But the fuck you care about my slippers? You care if I want to murder the slippers, I could buy a Bridget. So my teeth for Bridget them that time there. One big pussy girl, Candy, your foot a murder the slippers. I go in a one store, I could buy a Bridget. 2021, I could buy a Bridget. So I go in the store and look 2 of them. And lift a Bridget. Maria 9.5 in a Bridget, and my teeth for 8.5. What the fuck this a girl a scold me? Can you put a ball in the Bridget? It's supposed to blood clot ball cause teeth for teeth it. Maria 9.5 and teeth 8.5. It was that was on the shelf at that time. 8.5 and I need it and I take it. And last time I have a big dance to go. And I have a big dance to go and Mummy Wig just come out. You know the Mummy Wig them will just come out? You remember when the Mummy Wig them just come out, Chad? When I went blood clot store, I went look on the wig. The wig after $16,000 for the Mummy Wig, Chad. I read me a looking up.
You know what I'm see your message? Look
and the money queen she have on ready now. What a fight in that store, Chad. Me I look red Mummy Wig. And when me look, me can't afford it because I never have the $16,000. I see the mannequin have on red. Mummy Wig, me say the bumble blood clot this come here. Mummy Wig you have to come off. By the time my man go around there, so I say me I look at the Gucci. Chat me no want no booty. At the week me come for the blood clot man it good. And them people try this booty. I mean I try out blood clot this when them go around there some go so whoops. And I need me armpit cause you know it light. They say I'm gone with the mommy wig. Me just want to go so I'm in a hear the dumb attack me gone. From me look on the dumb and go so and the man gone. So me gone with me mommy wig. Crazy. Who look good like me in I dance? Chat. Who look good like me in I dance? Me say the mommy wig lie down from the block clock. Me just go so to the dumb. And me no hear she say about not me say me a rob you. Come here. And me armpit. And I look. Who look good like me in Miss Mommy wig she. Crazy. Last time I want Bridget and I can't bite her. Everybody wear a Bridget. A circle of blood clots store. Yes. They look 9.5 and teeth 8.5. And big pussy girl on my profile that tell me say, Candy the Bridget ball is supposed to ball at 2021. It was them the time they supposed to ball. I don't want cry, you know. Oh. Chat power tap everybody. Chat we look some live goal. Chat we look some live goal. Power tap everybody we look some live goal. We can't get some live goal. We can't talk to a story, you know, but we not in a live goal. We can't chat to a story, you know, we not in a live goal. We name the bigger fifth fly, man. In a cash out.
Who, me?
Yeah.
What broke like Guinness back home?
What mean you broke like Guinness back and I forgot to say you know sell your body. Chat double.